Hello everyone, it's the 5th of February and we're out in Western Victoria to chase 2 vintage diesels after a Seymour Railway Heritage Centre charter to Warrnambool. To start the chase, we're just under 100 kilometres southwest of Melbourne, in an interesting lowly populated town called Moriac. In this scene, I set up an extra camera on the old yarn buffers facing towards an old milk bar, with my main camera facing towards the old site of Moriac Station. Without further ado, let's see X31 and A66 make their way back towards the city. You may have noticed that X31 has an unusual horn on this trip, with volunteers fitting this 5-chime Leslie RS5T horn, borrowed from C501, another locomotive from SRHC's fleet. Next up, we're on the outskirts of Warren Ponds, as multiple other rail enthusiasts gather around, attracting a horn show from the driver of X31. The train pauses at Warrnambool station to wait for heavy train traffic to clear passengers on the final day of the Australian International Air Show. Here are a couple of clips viewing some aircraft from a distance near Avalon. aviation enthusiasts, this aircraft is a Malaysian A400M which made an appearance over us at Avalon and later in the afternoon at Breakwater. This brings us to our next shot at the Barwon River Rail Bridge. After waiting for a V-line to overtake the train, I took this opportunity to set up atop the North Geelong rail yard to catch one more shot before dark. A66 was dropped home to North Dynon, leaving X31 to transfer its consist home to Seymour. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe so you don't miss out on even more exciting future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.